how to delete Blockfi account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll be showing you the ways to delete your Blockfi account. So in order to delete your account, first thing first, you'll have to make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and you'll have to understand that there is no such direct way of deleting your account. So basically, to delete your Blockfi account, you'll have to compose an email or contact the support team directly. Now to begin with the procedure, what you'll have to do is exit out of your Blockfi account and then open up your email. Make sure that you're using the same email address that you have registered on Blockfi. Tap the compose button located right at the bottom. After that, you need to enter in the email address, that is onboarding@blockfi.com. Don't worry about the email address. I'll make sure to drop it on my description box below as well. So on the subject, type in request to delete my Blockfi account. Once you're done entering your request, and then for the message, what you can write is, "Hi team, I'm writing this to inform about my account deletion due to the following reasons." You need to list out the reasons for deleting your account. Make sure that the reason is valid enough, and also provide in your user ID and provide in your email address, and then provide in the email address registered to your Blockfi account. After that, you'll need to click the submit button located right at the bottom, or send, and if you have any files or folder that shows the proof or an evidence, then you can attach that as well. And after that, you can simply wait for them to look into your matter. So in this way, you can delete your account with Blockfi. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.